Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing great. And after a really long time, I'm back with a video, and I'm so excited because today's video is Q&A sort of a thing, and I'm going to answer few of your questions like my profession, how I got into films, my career, my education, sort of a thing. So without a further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm back with my phone and I have all my questions on this phone. So I'm going to read them out for you and answer. So the first question is, what's your qualification? So I'm an engineering graduate, computer science law, and later I moved to fashion designing, and akkada I did a diploma in textile and fashion designing. So that's about my qualification. So the next question is, మీకు ఫ్యాషన్ ముందే వచ్చా ఆర్ కాలేజ్లో జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత నేర్చుకున్నారా ఫ్రమ్ ద స్క్రాచ్? ఓకే, సో నాకు ఫ్యాషన్ అంటే ఎప్పుడు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంది. ఐ ఆల్వేస్ లైక్ టు డ్రెస్ అప్, స్కూల్ నుంచి కాలేజ్ నుంచి ఎవ్రీ టైమ్. సో ఐ ఆల్వేస్ ఎంజాయ్ డ్రెస్సింగ్ అప్ అండ్ స్టైలింగ్ మై సెల్ఫ్. సో దట్స్ అబౌట్ ఇట్. అండ్ కాలేజ్లో జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత నేర్చుకున్నారా? కాలేజ్లో జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత ఐ లెర్న్డ్ మోర్ అబౌట్ textiles, fabrics, and stuff like that. Not about styling and things. It's always my choice and my personal interest and opinions about styling and stuff. So I've learned quite a few things from my college, but also my personal learnings as well. So that's about your question. So the next question is, after BTech, what did you choose? Any projects during your course? How much hard work have you done for this? So Tina sent me these questions and she have like 3 questions in it. So after BTech, what did you choose? After BTech I had to work because I got job here and in Hyderabad. So I moved from Vizag to Hyderabad for my work. So that's what I chose after my BTech. Any projects during your course? After BTech I worked for an year and then I moved into a diploma in fashion designing. So final year lo unnappudu, second year lo unnappudu, I got a call for a movie, and that's Oka Manasu, Niharika Kondela's and Nagashaurya's film. So that's my first film. So yes, project ఒకటి, when I'm doing my course I have a project. And then how much hard work have you done for this? I worked day and night for what I'm today, so and it's all worth it, no complaints. So my next question is, డిజైనింగ్ కోర్స్ ఎక్కడ చేశారు? నేను హైదరాబాద్లో హ్యామ్స్టెక్లో చేశాను, అండ్ మై కోర్స్ ఈజ్ టెక్స్టైల్ అండ్ ఫ్యాషన్ డిజైనింగ్. అండ్ నేను జూబ్లీ హిల్స్ హ్యామ్స్టెక్ బ్రాంచ్లో నుంచి వచ్చాను అనమాట. So that's about it. And my next question is, which year have you completed your fashion designing? I have no idea. I think it's 3 years or 4 years. I don't remember when I've done my course. So that's about it. Okay, someone asked me, what's your profession? I'm a costume designer and a stylist. So that's my profession. So my next question is, will you start internships with you? I already have interns working with me. So the next one, is the course affordable? Can you disclose the amount approximately how much you spent? I cannot tell you if the course is affordable or no, because it's totally person's perception, and I can surely let you know the approximate amount. So it will be 2 to 3 lakhs for a 2-year course. How do you show your designs to your director, and what will you do with the costumes after the film is over? So it's totally director's choice. You might ask for an illustration on paper, you might ask an illustration on a computer or a laptop or an iPad, you might just ask for a reference. So that's how it works. And what do you do with the costumes after the film? So the film production takes back all the costumes, and we have no right to take them, so they just keep with them and use for another film. My next question is, do you know from the start or realize later that you're supposed to be in this? I think I know it because I'm always interested in fashion. Though I did my engineering, I'm very sure I wanted to do fashion designing after my engineering. So I chose my designing and I'm here. So I'm supposed to be here and I'm here. So my next question, how do you approach for the projects? I don't have an answer because I've never approached for projects myself. I always got call from film production houses and that's how I'm hired for the film. Who is your inspiration for fashion designing? I don't have any inspiration for fashion designing, but I have few favorite fashion designers and they are Masaba Gupta and Sabyasachi Mukherjee. Next one, have you got offered to work with Anasuya Garu? So I worked for the film Rangasthalam and Anasuya Garu is also in that film and you all know of course. So that's where we became friends and started working. So there are a lot of questions regarding how I got my first movie offer, how did I get into films after my course, how did I become a celebrity stylist, sort of a questions. There are a lot of such questions. I am going to answer them once. And when I'm in my second year of my fashion designing course, that's when I got my first movie offer. And my first film is Oka Manasu. Niharika Konidela and Nagashauri are the leads for the film. Madhura Sridhar Garu is the producer for the film and my friends is friends with the producer and that's how I got a chance to work for that film. Niharika Konidela's mother is designing costumes for Niharika and she wants someone to assist and help her with the costume section and department. So that's how I got on board for the film, but I haven't had any on-set experience as such. I've been only till the pre-production. I've been there with the costumes and picking up the accessories and stuff, and I was there only on the first day of the film shooting and that's it, because I have my college and I haven't had an opportunity to work for the whole film. So that's my first movie opportunity. Okay, my next question is, after graduation ఏం చేశారు? గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ తర్వాత నేను 1 year జాబ్ చేశాను మహీంద్ర సత్యంలో. My next question, what is the course you did in Hamstech? Hamstechలో నేను టెక్స్టైల్ అండ్ ఫ్యాషన్ డిజైనింగ్ కోర్స్ చేశాను అండ్ దట్స్ 2 year కోర్స్. నాకు డ్రెస్ డిజైనింగ్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం, బట్ వే టు స్టార్ట్ అనేది పెద్ద డౌట్. మీకు ఆపర్చునిటీ ఛాన్స్ కనుక ఉంటే ప్లీజ్ ఏదైనా కోర్స్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వండి, మీకు బెటర్ ఐడియా వస్తుంది. యూ విల్ మీట్ పీపుల్ అండ్ యూ విల్ హ్యావ్ lot of ideas to share and start and you will have a clear vision way to start and all. Okay, my next question is, can you suggest a college and how is the future in styling? If you are from Hyderabad, I think we have Hamstech and NIFT, and future in styling is, I suppose future in styling is always great. How can we start our career as costume designer? I don't think we have any particular way to start our career in costume designer, because it's not really easy to get that one opportunity in films. It's very very hard for a lot of people. With lots of talent and hard work, you should also have little luck to get that one opportunity, and after that opportunity it's always your talent and hard work that matters. Okay, my next question is, madam, please explain the difference between stylist and a fashion designer. Okay, so the fashion designer is someone who creates clothing. So the main purpose is to make a garment. So there necessarily no need to be a stylist. So stylist is someone who picks accessories and clothing to for any look. Let it be a red carpet look, let it be a wedding look, let it be any opening look or any event look or something like that. So stylists are someone who create looks with picking accessories and clothes. Designer is someone who makes clothes and things related to garments. Someone asked me, we don't have complete idea about styling. What exactly you people do for celebrities? Please explain. So okay, for example, I'm designing or styling a look for Anasuya for a red carpet event. So firstly we decide on a theme. So if we wanted to go retro, if we wanted to go fresh, if we wanted to go bold, if we wanted to go little gothic, so we decide on a theme first. Then we get into a silhouette. since I worked for Anuslia for a really long time, I know her body type, and we know what works for us better. So then we select a silhouette, then we get into a color palette, then we decide on what colors we wanted to go with, and then hair, then makeup, and then of course accessories, and then rest of the stuff. So that's how we plan. There is a process. So first we decide on a theme, then silhouette, color palette, accessories, and then makeup, hair, and all. So that's how we plan our styling session. Okay, the next one, I don't have questions, your work is so good, I wanted to work with you, I've sent my works to your mail, ma'am. Thank you so much, but currently we are not hiring anyone, but if we do, I'll surely post a requirement on my Instagram. Please apply. Thank you. Designing tips cheyandi ma'am beginners ki. Sure, I'll do a video about it. That's it, guys. Hope I answered a lot of your questions. If you have any other questions, please feel free to drop in your questions in the comment section below. I'll answer them for you. And thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye. Hi guys. Hi guys. And I'm